Alright guys, so in today's video, as you can see, I'm definitely overdue for a new steering wheel leather. And I'm going to show you guys how to stitch it on. As you can see my breath. It's very cold in the garage, so I'm going to try to get this done as fast as possible. The first step is, guys, you want to basically get it lined up practically where it's going to sit. It's going to be a really tight fit, and to make sure it's on there. After it's all lined up, you want to set up your needle and thread and start. You can really start anywhere, but I started right here. Poke it through one of the holes that are already there. Tie a knot on the end. Make sure it's a double knot so it doesn't pull through. Like, say you start here like I did, go to the next one and then skip one, go to the next, skip one, go to the next, and pull it tight, and that's what she'll look like. Alright guys, so it is the next day. I was going to finish it last night, but it literally hit -30 in the garage. And I was like, I'm okay. I'm going to wait till tomorrow. So here we are now. So I got a little farther than you guys seen last night. All I basically did was finish off the top section here and get it tucked in. It's coming out very nice. But before we get any farther with this, I want to show you guys something. What's good, Trudeau? What's good, bud? I fucking love this sticker. This is sweet. Oh, also, I got that, obviously. Sweet, right? I know. But, also, if you guys don't know, I recently joined High Rollers Ontario. It's a new car group in my area. You guys should definitely check it out. Anyone could join, from motorcycles, trucks, old cars, European cars. We accept anyone. Now, to tuck the corners in like this and get them nice looking, you want to use the tool that came with it. I got this little plastic tool here to like kind of drag it over and then push it in and work its way down. Every time you finish a section, basically you guys just want to tie it off and cut the thread and then start somewhere new the exact same you did. So find a hole from one of the stitches that are already in there, put it through, go to the side, and then skip one, go through, skip one, go through, skip one, go through, pull it tight, and repeat that process throughout the whole entire thing, and you'll see it start looking like this. Also, should get double-sided tape or some sticky adhesive that comes with it in your box. Definitely use it, because I didn't use it here, and it kind of moves, right? Like, and then up here doesn't move at all. It's a lot better. Obviously, I can fix this if I put some tape in here and loosen it up a bit, but I really wish I just used it from the beginning, so I'm letting you guys know that so you can learn from my mistakes. So now that this section's all good, it's nice and sturdy, feels amazing. The side and back are all good. I'm going to move on to finishing the top section here, getting it look all nice, and then I'm going to worry about the bottom. Clean this part up here, because you can see I messed up a little bit, so I'm going to fix that. Tighten this part up here, put some tape in here so this section does not move, and then work my way back up to here, do this corner, work my way down, and fully connect everything and finish it up. As you can see here, guys, I'm pretty close to finishing up, and it's turning out absolutely amazing. I cannot be happier with this. It feels so good. And the stripe at the top makes it look absolutely amazing. Stitching turned out pretty good, I'd say. The first time ever doing it. I got to clean up this stuff, obviously, and there's strings on the back and string on this side. I got both the corners tucked, fit pretty nicely, nice and flush, nothing sticking out or anything. This thing looks so good. I just got to tuck the bottom now and finish stitching right here and tighten this up, and we'll be good to go. Sadly, there's only one downside to this whole thing, and you can see it right now. One of the threads came loose at the very beginning of the stitch, so I don't, it's really not a big deal to me, so I think I'm just gonna leave it. You can't really notice it when you're sitting back here, but huge difference. Go back and look what the steering wheel looked like at the beginning of this video and look at it now. It has completely transformed the look of this interior and goes along so well with the shift knob I got. And got a new shift knob, by the way. Here she is in all her glory out in the light. Looks absolutely amazing. I'm so impressed with it. Everything from the stitching to how it feels to how it fit. It fit pretty good. And it came from China, Shanghai. I think that's in China. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. It really helps get this video in front of others so others can see it. Before I go, I got something coming. It goes under the car. And it makes it sound better. Wonder what that could be. Full exhaust coming. Okay, bye.